Hello viewers. Welcome to a new tour guide. Today we will about how to get around by plane, train, bus, foot, and boat in California in the United States of America. This is the 5th episode. You can watch our first, second, third, fourth episodes and check the I button if you want. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, so let's go. Get around by plane in California. Flying may be a more reasonable option for crossing large expanses of the state. American Eagle, United Express, Delta, Southwest, JetBlue, JetSuiteX, and Alaska Airlines offer intrastate flights within California. San Francisco is a hub for United and Alaska. Los Angeles is a hub for United, American Eagle, and Alaska Airlines, and Long Beach is the West Coast hub for JetBlue. The LAX-SFO route is one of the busiest in America, which means competitive fares and delays are frequent, only made worse by the fog that tends to hit San Francisco Bay regularly. In addition, the airlines offer flights from different airports in Southern California in the south, to the SF Bay Area and Sacramento to the north at competitive rates. The primary airports served by major U.S. carriers, Volaris and Aeromexico, from Mexico, in California, are in 1. Los Angeles area, Los Angeles International, Burbank Hollywood Airport in Burbank, John Wayne Airport in Orange County, Ontario Airport, and a small airport in Long Beach. 2. San Francisco Bay Area, San Francisco, Oakland, San Jose. Both San Francisco and Oakland airports are now connected to the Metro, BART, while Caltrain connects San Jose via a free shuttle at the Santa Clara station. Oakland is closer to downtown San Francisco than SFO is and offers a fog-free alternative. 3. San Diego. 4. Sacramento. 5. Reno, Nevada, closer to the Lake Tahoe area than Sacramento. The busiest second-tier airports are Fresno, Santa Barbara, and Palm Springs. There are also flights from major hubs to Bakersfield, Arcata, McKinleyville, Monterey, Redding, Sonoma, Santa Rosa, Stockton, Merced, Santa Maria, Crescent City, Mammoth Lakes, El Centro, and San Luis Obispo. Get around by train in California. The state's various rail services provide a cheap and reasonably comfortable way to see and get around much of the state without a car. Amtrak operates a few long-distance routes through and out of California, as well as the 3 Amtrak California routes. 1. San Luis Obispo, Santa Barbara, Los Angeles, Anaheim, San Diego on the Pacific Surfliner. 2. Oakland, Sacramento, Stockton, Fresno, Bakersfield on the San Joaquins, connecting thruway bus service to Los Angeles. 3. San Jose, Oakland, Sacramento, Auburn on the Capital Corridor. 4. Los Angeles, Santa Barbara, San Luis Obispo, San Jose, Oakland, Sacramento, Redding on the Coast Starlight. 5. Emeryville, Sacramento, Truckee on the California Zephyr. 6. Los Angeles, Palm Springs on the Sunset Limited. 7. Amtrak Thruway Motorcoaches connects additional cities and towns from the Amtrak network by bus, such as Santa Cruz, San Jose, San Francisco, Emeryville, Bakersfield, Los Angeles, Bakersfield, Las Vegas, Martinez, Arcata, Redding, Sacramento, etc. Amtrak has seen continuously increasing ridership in most of the USA for more than a decade. Surprisingly enough, 3 of the 6 most popular Amtrak routes run through California, thus making them a viable alternative to congested roads and airports. In addition, there are several commuter and regional services in the state's metro areas. 1. Caltrain San Francisco, Palo Alto, San Jose, Gilroy through the famous Silicon Valley. 2. Altamont Commuter Express San Jose, Stockton through the Altamont Corridor Express. 3. BART operates in the Bay Area, connecting much of the East Bay or Oakland, Berkeley, Walnut Creek, to San Francisco and SFO. 4. Metrolink runs regional train service throughout the more outstanding Los Angeles, Orange, Riverside, San Bernardino, and Ventura County region on multiple routes. 5. Coaster runs along the coast of San Diego County between downtown San Diego, Carlsbad, and Oceanside. 6. Sprinter runs across northern San Diego County between Escondido and Oceanside with bus and train connections to Los Angeles and San Diego. 7. Sonoma Marin Rail runs between Santa Rosa and San Rafael in Marin, Sonoma County with ferry connections to San Francisco. There are also light rail systems in San Diego, Los Angeles, San Francisco, Sacramento, and San Jose. Almost all of these systems are being expanded or upgraded to cope with rising ridership, so expect more and better service in years to come. Get around by bus in California. The bus is not the most glamorous way to get around the state, but it can be the cheapest. There are relatively frequent services between San Francisco and Los Angeles, San Francisco and Sacramento and Los Angeles on multiple lines. There are hourly, clocker, buses between Los Angeles, San Diego, and Tijuana. Numerous bus companies are operating within California. Many smaller companies, county bus services, and those connecting rural towns are not listed. Check the article of your destination for all the transportation options. 1. Eastern Sierra Transit. Phone number is +1 760 872 1901. Toll free. +1 800 922 1930. Operates local buses along USHWY 395 corridor between Mammoth Lake, Bishop, and Lone Pine in Mono and Inyo counties in the eastern, desert, and the Sierra Nevada parts of the state. They have a route continuing north to Carson City and Reno from Mammoth Lake and south to Lancaster from Lone Pine. The area is not served by Greyhound or Amtrak Thruway buses. 2. El Paso Los Angeles Limousine Express, 622 East 6th Street. Phone number is +1 213 623 2323, +1 323 265 3232. Travels along I-10 between Los Angeles, Indio, Phoenix, Las Cruces, and El Paso and I-15 to Las Vegas and North Las Vegas on another route. They have additional stops in Los Angeles, El Monte, and Colton on their way on both routes. They also have a second depot at 4425 South Atlantic Boulevard in Los Angeles. 3. Flixbus. Phone number is +1 855 626 8585. German bus company rival Greyhound Lines, Megabus, and various American and Mexican bus companies in the American market. It connects Los Angeles to Las Vegas, Phoenix, Sacramento, SF Bay Area, and San Diego via multiple cities en route in Arizona and California. It may expand to other parts of the U.S. if it is successful. It dominates the German market and has grown rapidly through subcontracting its operations, which has the downside for customers that the buses are not of a consistent style or quality. 4. Green Tortoise. Phone number is +1 415 956 7500, toll free, 1 800 867 8647. Operates something like a hippie bus that serves as a bus by day with stops to visit different places like a bus tour throughout the day and an RV camper by night in different campgrounds. It offers bus tours and camping trips to Joshua Tree, Yosemite, Death Valley Sequoia, and along the coast between San Francisco and Los Angeles. Some of its tours involve a 3 to 5 day round trip from the point of origin, such as from San Francisco to Yosemite NP and back. In contrast, others are one-way where the journey starts from one place and ends in another, like from Los Angeles to Joshua Tree and ending in Las Vegas. Even with round trips, it is possible to ask to be picked up or dropped off in different places than the point of origin return. Others like its Hostel Hoppers, or Express, are a short bus ride from point A to B. It is one way to combine, taking the bus from one place to another and visiting and seeing remote places without a private automobile. 5. Greyhound and Cruceros USA, toll free, 1 800 231 2222. Greyhound goes to 100 locations statewide. However, these are not all actual stations. Some merely stop. Greyhound serves the same routes that Amtrak does along the main highways. In some cases, the Greyhound is cheaper, faster, and more frequent than Amtrak. 6. Hoang Express. Phone number is +1 714 839 3500, toll free, +1 888 834 9336. Travels between SoCal, Bay Area, and Sacramento on another route from Los Angeles. They also offer service from Los Angeles to Arizona, Phoenix, Chandler, and Tempe. $60 to $65 to Bay Area, $80 to Sacramento. 7. International Bus Lines. Phone number is +1 213 629 4885, toll free, +1 888 834 9336. Connects Tijuana, San Isidro, Santa Ana, Los Angeles, San Fernando, Bakersfield, Fresno, San Jose, Stockton, and several other places. Prices vary depending on your destination. 8. Luxbus. On request for hotel, pick-up drop-off, toll-free, +1 877 610 7870. They also have another route from San Francisco to Sacramento along I-80. 11. Orange Belt Stages. Phone number is +1 559 733 4408, toll-free, 1-800-266-7433. Regularly scheduled service between Lemoore and Santa Maria through Paso Robles and San Luis Obispo. They also offer day trips to different places for sightseeing and scheduled events throughout California. 12. Sage Stage. Rite Aid at 5th and Main in Alturas. Phone number is +1 530 233 6410. Provides public transportation from Alturas and Canby in Modoc County, in the Shasta Cascades, to Redding, Reno, NB, and Klamath Falls, OR on 3 separate routes. 13. Santa Barbara Airbus. Phone number is +1 805 964 7759, toll free, +1 800 423 1618. 8 trips a day from LAX to Carpinteria, Santa Barbara, and Goleta. 14. Cabin. Overnight service to the Los Angeles area from San Francisco. This is an actual sleeper bus featuring twin-sized bunk beds with privacy curtains, power outlets, and free Wi-Fi. 15. Tufesa. Phone number is +1 213 489 8079. Connects Los Angeles to Sacramento, to Salt Lake City, to Hermosillo, San Francisco Bay Area, and Tijuana. Prices vary depending on your destination. 16. Yards. Operates regularly scheduled buses from Yosemite NP to Fresno, Merced, Mammoth Lakes and Sonora on 4 separate routes. 17. JAS. Phone number is +1 408 209 0304. Offers services from San Francisco, San Jose, Santa Clara, Oakland, and other areas of the state with different travel routes. Prices vary from place to place. Get around by foot in California. 1. The Pacific Crest Trail crosses the length of California on its way from Mexico to Canada. 2. The American Discovery Trail connects California with Nevada and the East Coast. Get around by boat in California. 1. Ferry service is limited but can be a scenic, relaxing, and fun way to travel. Primary services exist in the Bay Area, the Channel Islands, and Catalina Island near Los Angeles. Several of the smaller coastal towns have water taxi services within their city. Check as the stops and limited, and the schedules may be seasonal. 2. Many towns are along the coast or on navigable waterways, and you can dock your boat there. This is all about the 5th episode. Thank you for watching this video entirely. If you want, you can watch our other tour guides about the USA. Then you can visit our channel. If you like this video, I will say again, please subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much.